Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock and unlock your Facebook profile. So for that, go to your Facebook. Now go to your profile. Now tap on the three dot icon. Tap on lock profile. Now tap on lock your profile. And then your profile will be locked. And if you want to unlock your profile, then again tap on the three dot icon. Now tap on unlock profile. Tap on unlock. Now tap on unlock your profile. And then your profile will be unlocked. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.